Louisville City has a chance to clinch their postseason berth tonight against another USL Championship winner of the past, Sacramento Republic.
Listen, we've talked plenty. Yeah, put on a show tonight. Be ruthless. Be relentless. Be switched on the minute that whistle blows. 3 points. 3 points tonight, nothing less. Yeah, gentlemen? Come on, fly it, come on!
Hey, you know the message, right? Let's rebate. Stick it to him tonight, okay? Have fun, dribble somebody. Score some goals tonight, huh, boys? Let's go. We need 3 points. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
And here we go, the first ever meeting between Sacramento and Louisville City. Dangerous ball, bounces in. Harris in front of goal, appeared to get the final touch. Number 11 of the season. Ball across dangerously. Cuello heads it home. Sacramento level. It'll be Serrano. Header wide and deflected wide. Service across, header snapped in. Toach as ever, tucked in, locked in. 2-1 Louisville City, short of the intermission. And there is the halftime whistle. Louisville grabs the lead through Harris in the 9th. You watch it evaporate through Cuello off magical service. Martinez just shy of the half-hour mark. They regain the lead in the 45th. Back heel, Obi slices in front. Saldana, what a save! He denies Harris at point-blank range. Louisville has hardly had any weather delays this year. I actually can't think of one. And yet here we are. It is 2-1 in favor of Louisville City. We're about 10 minutes into the second half. And Sacramento and Louisville are in a lightning delay here at Lynn Family Stadium. Gonzalez comes off as well, and Elijah Winder is going to come on for his 3rd appearance of the season. Masoso, end line, Winder deflects and goes in! There's the 3rd for Louisville, and that is full-time tonight, and Louisville City has clinched their playoff berth.
Not an easy night, gentlemen, yeah? But it's a great way to respond after the 2 games prior. Really proud of that, okay? I want to add a few things, and I know I say it a lot, but I think it's an important reminder. Elijah not in the 18 in Indy, okay? Elijah comes into the 18 this game and takes a chance. That's what a team is. Look around. Guys are injured, guys are beat up. We need everybody. It's another important week, okay? I'm proud of you guys. Let's keep it going.